Okay, we're going to look at the homing, repeatability, and accuracy. So I've zeroed out a homing operation I just did, and well, we'll do it again. So we're going to home the device on the z-axis, and we're going to zero out the dial indicator. Okay. See, I'm going to zoom out a little bit. Hopefully we can still see the dial. Alright, so I'm going to go over and do a homing operation on the Z. Read 0 on the display. We come over here and we have a 2.6 mil error. So we'll repeat the process again. About 3.4 mils. Let me zoom in a little bit on the meter. So, you know, because the homing operation depends on the motor current and any kind of noise, it's not absolutely precise, but for the purposes of limiting your axis movement, I think it's quite repeatable. The x-axis homing and repeatability. I'm going to home the x-axis. I'm going to zero the dial indicator. Rehome. So 4/10 of an error, 4/10 of a mil. Here we got 5 mils, 3 mils, and 1 mils. And now the y-axis, accuracy and repeatability and backlash. Okay, we're going to go out. It's 3 inches, 4 inches, it's out 6 inches. Return to home. 3/10 of an error.